In this video, we will show a hack to zoom functionality on images within your app using a combination of built-in components in Draftbit. Here is our setup components in the builder. We have a swiper component that will contain our images. In this video, we are fetching the images from our backend, so setting them dynamically. Inside the swiper, we wrap the image component with a touchable component. We also used aspect ratio that makes the image constrained by the ratio that we select. Then we set up an action stack on the touchable. Here in onPress trigger, we have 3 screen variables. The zoom image variable controls the visibility of the model. We set it to true to open the model. Then we also have pressed image variable that stores the URL of the selected image. And lastly, we have a variable called slide number. So we set this to the index of the touched image index in our list data. Now let's see our model configuration. Here, we set the visibility of the model to be controlled by the zoom image variable. And inside the model, we have added an HTML view component, and we used this HTML code to display the image with zoom capability. Note that we have defined a temporary variable here, and actually we set it as the pressed image screen variable to dynamically set the source of the image. On swiper component again, we configure here in the data tab the initial slide as the slide number. So this ensures that when the model is closed, the user remains on the same slide they pressed. Let's see it in action. Oh, and I forgot to mention about this button. So on this button's trigger, we simply set the zoom image screen variable back to false again to close the model component. So we're closing it. Now let's go to the third image. And you can close it from here. In the builder, you may not see the zoom capability, but if you just scan the QR code and test it on your device, you will see that when we press the image, you can zoom in the image. Thank you.